Hey everybody, this is Sean with Tab Off-Road. Today I'm going to be installing the new rear bumper on the Polaris RZR Pro XP. Step number one, we're going to take the supplied brackets, one per side, and the supplied nut and bolt, and we're going to install it right in this section of the frame. And the L piece is going to face inside, just like this. So what we're going to do is take one of our bolts and one of our nuts, and we can just get this loosely installed for now. And the same thing on the opposite side. Next step, we'll get the top two mounting points installed first. And we're just going to take two of the supplied bolts and we'll feed those through the back side of the L bracket we just installed. Alright, now we got the top piece loosely hanging there. We'll move on to the bottom section and we'll get our bottom mounting points installed. Alright, the bottom mounting point is going to be held in place with a nut and a bolt, and we're just going to hook it in place in the hole that's already in the frame. And take the bolt, slide it through our bumper, and kind of lift it into position to line it up with the hole that's in the frame. Then we'll take the supplied nut, thread it on the back side. And then we'll do the same thing on the opposite side. Alright, with everything kind of loosely in place, first I'm going to install these top two bolts while our bracket here is loose, so that way if there's any play that needs to be taken out, it'll be able to move back and forth to where I need it to be. Now we'll move on to the bottom two. Now we'll move back up top and finish the last two nuts and bolts on the back side here. Alright, that's all there is to it. This job is done. Be sure to double check our website and social media platforms for the different color options and fitment options that we have for this, because there is a wide variety. You can also order this in a raw finish if you don't see the color you like. Also be sure to hit that subscribe button down below for more cool videos. Thanks guys.